Hi, yeah. So I'm not gonna take much of your time, but it's gonna be a quick 15-20 minutes process of how can you make content on LinkedIn, or how can you generate content on LinkedIn very quickly. So let me just go to ChatGPT. So once you go over here, I am currently using GPT-4. We have an office account which we can use. So put it on browse with Bing. And whenever you write any prompts or anything as particular, there are always three things that are important for writing a perfect prompt. First one is, maybe I'll just bring in my sticky notes. Yeah. So first one is role, and next one is context. Next one is activity. So when I say role, when I say role, it is about when I say role, it is about telling the ChatGPT AI bot or ChatGPT bot that you are so and so with these many years of experience. So what I'm gonna do over here is, because I'm trying to create content for LinkedIn, I'll write act as a LinkedIn content creator with 10 years of experience. I'm telling 10 years of experience, but what's the context, in which field or which domain should this bot be experienced in? Content creation on LinkedIn. So two parts is done. Now the third part is the activity that you tell them. So this would be the entire prompt. So what I'm doing over here is, so that would be the entire prompt. So a perfect prompt consists of three particular things. One is you giving the bot a particular role, that is act as a LinkedIn content creator. Now, if I want to do data analysis or using ChatGPT, to act, I'll tell the bot to act as a data analyst with 10 years of experience in analyzing complex data sets. So over here, till act as a data analyst with 10 years of experience is the role. Context is analyzing complex data sets. All right. But right now, because I'm using this for LinkedIn, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come here. I'm going to let me be respectful. So I'd say hi. Let me be more respectful. I'd be like, how are you doing? And then tell the bot that act as a LinkedIn content creator with 10 years of experience in content creation on LinkedIn. All right, so I gave it the role, I gave it the context. Now, the next I should give it activity. Now, here, this is my main prompt. So recently I've stumbled upon this particular framework for ChatGPT, which some AI creator have used. So they have used this prompt, and it actually worked. It actually worked very well for them. So over here, what it said is, act as an expert LinkedIn strategist. I want you to develop a content strategy for me using the content matrix I've provided. So this is what it is present. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna give it this role plus context, which is a part of a prompt, and then this thing which says that this is how your output, which means that the output that has been generated, that is about to get generated by ChatGPT, it should be present in this particular manner, is what we tell them. And please structure your output as a table. So we told it that to structure it as a table. And then there are few particular things over there. So this is name, role, company, description, target audience. All right. So what done recently is, I've tried this. So I'll try copy pasting. I've tried this prompt, so I'll try copy pasting from there. Not this. Yeah, so I have the entire prompt that I've written. So what I did is name, I forgot to give my name as Zarhas and I just gave it Audrey, and role, I just mentioned it as founder, and company I gave Verticity, and description I gave this. It need not mean that you have to give Verticity as a description. You can entirely omit the company, or you can entirely omit the company over here, and description, you can give the description about yourself, a bit more about yourself. Target audience, who are your target audience on LinkedIn? Who are you writing for? Who do you want to get in touch with? For example, if it's someone from the placement team, maybe they are trying to get in touch with recruiters, so they'll write recruiters, seasoned data scientists and data analysts, and everyone within the data domain. That is what they'll write. So based upon what your goals are on LinkedIn, you gotta mention your target audience. And then comes LinkedIn post themes. Concentrate on three major topics that you want to write on. For example, over here, what I did is I've selected four different topics. One is AI, entrepreneurship, product, and job search strategies. I want to write uh, LinkedIn content on these four aspects. So next thing what you have to do is there is something called as top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel. So try understanding this. You know how funnel looks like, right? So on the top is the wider is the wide it's wide open. So any particular person or any particular lead that you are trying to target on LinkedIn, they have to go through your funnel. So anyone who comes towards the end of your funnel, those would be your customers. In ideal scenarios, those would be your customers in business understanding, and everyone who enters into your funnel would be interested. So what you have to do is you have to write top of the funnel topics or top of the funnel themes as something that is wide enough. For example, over here, what I did is the first theme that I've chosen, or the first topic that I've chosen, is entrepreneurship. So the top of the funnel topics for entrepreneurship would be trending topics across entrepreneurship, niche related updates. Means something that is dive deep enough. And then client wins. When I say client wins, my client wins or me winning in the race of entrepreneurship or anything as such. And middle of the funnel is contrarian take, and then I want to write how to guides, and then I want to write case studies. Bottom of the funnel comes analytical takedowns, actionable tips, testimonials. So similarly, you have to figure out what are your three major topics that you want to write on LinkedIn, and then you figure out your top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. And then comes these hook examples. Again, there's a part of a prompt. So this hook example is nothing but there are few there are few posts on LinkedIn which goes very famous, like X strategies I used to achieve Y. For example, let us say if I'm a data analyst, then I'll use this example as 10 strategies I use to achieve perfect data analysis of any complex data set. This is an amazing hook. This is just an amazing hook. And the next one would be please stop doing X. Me as a content creator, what I'll do is I'll take this hook and I'll write the first line that I write is please stop using LinkedIn. So anyone who sees this post on LinkedIn platform will click on view more to understand more about it. So similarly, there are a lot of hooks which are good examples. There are almost 100, I guess. Yeah, there are almost 100. So you gotta paste this in your chatbot, sorry, text box. So what I do over here is I've already tried this prompt earlier. So I'm gonna copy this prompt from here and I'm gonna paste it in our new chatbot, sorry, new text box or chat box, whatever we say. Yeah. So I just gave it the content and I'm hitting enter. I'll take you through the prompt once again. So the prompt that I gave is I gave it a role. Act as an expert LinkedIn strategist is the role. I want you to develop a content strategy for me using the content matrix I've provided. Is the context that I gave is the context that I gave to the chatbot. I asked it to act as an expert LinkedIn strategist, and context is this, and then continues the prompt. So I told it that your output should be three proposed content buckets per theme per funnel stage. Pick a suitable hook from below and write a strong hook for each bucket. One liner description of what I should talk about. And this is what I should talk about. And this is my name, this is my role, this is my company, this is a description, and these are the target audience that I have. And then I've mentioned that these are the four themes that I want to concentrate on while creating content on LinkedIn, or I want to write about these four things. Theme one is entrepreneurship, and these are the top of the funnel topics, middle of the funnel topics, bottom of the funnel topics. So top of the funnel topic should be very generic, and when you come down the funnel, it should go near. You should go niche. All right. Similarly, product, because I'm a product guy, I want to write content about product also, product management or product leadership. So I've mentioned product stories, amazing product centric startups in India. I want to write product brand stories. Middle of the funnel, I want to write guides. Similarly, job search strategies and then AI. And then I gave hooks examples. So till here, the prompt is done. And right after that, it gave me these ideas. Theme is entrepreneurship. Hook is 10 lessons I learned from the entrepreneurial trends. Discuss insights gathered from current entrepreneurship trends and how they can shape one's business journey. All right. So this is the hook that there's the hook that I've got. So from here on, it depends on you whether you're entirely relying on ChatGPT next and you're gonna create your whole post, or whether whether you're gonna rely on yourself and write a bit of a description and write a bit of a content more and write a bit of a content more, and then you wanna and maybe then you wanna write the post. So if it is me, how I'll write this is the ugly truth about startup, not this, why the traditional startup model is outdated. Maybe this is what I want to write about. But before that, what I do is I'll go on to LinkedIn. What I'll do is I'll go on to LinkedIn. I'll try to copy someone else's post structure. Okay, I want to copy someone else's post structure. Let's say maybe this is the post structure that I want to copy. So what I'll do over here is I'll create a new chart, and again I'll give a prompt. I want to use this structure, so I'll turn this structure to a template. Act as a LinkedIn content strategist with 10 years of experience in converting competitors' LinkedIn posts into perfect reusable templates. Again, in this prompt, what I did, I gave it a role and then I gave it a context. Posts into perfect reusable templates. I gave context, and now the next one continues like this. Here is the activity I'm giving right now. Here is the LinkedIn post of my competitor. Inverted commas, and then this. Convert this to a high quality. We convert this LinkedIn post to a high quality template so that I can use this template to write my next LinkedIn post. All right. So this is about bite-sized LLM elevates NER performance, or bite-sized LLM is making waves in domain, everything about that. So it is giving me data about verticity and verto excellence, and I do not want to use that. So what I do is I'll just stop generating, and I'll tell it not to take inputs from the custom prompt. So there is something called as custom prompt. You guys can check it out on YouTube later on. Don't take any input from custom prompts saved earlier in this account. Exclude custom custom prompts. All right. Make this LinkedIn post into a generic high quality high quality template. All right, so I'll just save and submit. So this is the template that I've got from ChatGPT. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this template, come back here. Here is a LinkedIn post template I want you to use to create. Here's the LinkedIn post template, and I'll give the template. And then I'm telling the chatbot to, I use, want you to create an amazing LinkedIn post with great hook and great CTA using the above template on this topic. Now, the topic is, I'm gonna pick maybe I'm gonna pick one topic from here. Let's say how Verticity's product strategy skyrocketed our growth. Description. I'm not gonna give it a description. Let me see how it writes. And also at the end, I'll tell it to ask me if ChatGPT has any questions. Ask me if you have any questions before generating the output. So it just gave me this particular thing. So here it left competitor's name as blank because it couldn't figure out who Verticity's competitor is. So I believe we can fill this out. And there's exactly an amazing post. Just by reading it, I know that this is an amazing post, but I just have to fill in few details in it. So through this process, through this call, what you have got, you understood how to create hooks, which are topics for your LinkedIn post. Unlimited or these many number of topics for unlimited or these many number of topics for LinkedIn post, and you have understood how to convert a LinkedIn post which you have liked into a template so that you can use it later, or you can use that template to create a post later on the topics that are suggested for you. All right, so I've figured this thing out, and if you guys can also, I mean, it made things easier for me. I've generated some 6 or 7 LinkedIn posts for my account just through this method. I haven't generated a post using ChatGPT, but I've took inspiration from ChatGPT, took few lines from it, and added my own lines to it, or my own content to it. So yeah, that's it with it. This recording would be shared so that you can have a look at the recording, and if you guys have any queries, we can take it up in the office right after the call. And till then, thank you so much. See you. Bye.